Arena in San Juan. Dito po tayo all throughout the rest of the elimination round on Saturday and Sunday as well, as these teams vie for positioning and keep their hopes alive for a berth in the Final Four.
And which is really close to happening. That's why, again, the games are so important. Talagang hanggang dulo, hanggang yung last game nila will prove to be important. Especially yung mga schools na doon sa gitna. Tama ka in saying that only LaSalle is safe on top.
General is checking back in for Nepomuceno.
Same way.
Oh, parang kanina, no?
In the first set.
After Urdas scores, 4 lang ang hinahabol ng National University. And they already have 1 set in the bag. 30-28 in set number 1. Soriano.
Reading that so well, reading the defense of the Lady Bulldogs.
Yeah, no one was even close here.
Yup, look at her go.
Just smart. Skilled and smart too. Deadly combination. Pao Soriano.
Oh! Making it look so easy, just nailing that quick hit.
Now she's the perfect package. I mean, skill, talent, smarts, and the physical gifts as well.
Just in the past games, I would always say she should really lead by example, because if she has her A game, makikita mo na nai-inspire yung teammates niya. Pero ang nagiging problema din nga, when, syempre, all eyes on din Santiago when you're on the other side of the net. So, minsan nahihirapan din siya. Makikita mo yung teammates niya rin Hindi rin masyado nakaka-produce. So, kailangan team effort.
Right now, NU on and off. Tulad na nabanggit mo, Mosey, about the performance of other players as nag-error si Pablo that time. Guevara is blocked. Both teams are trading points right now in set number 2, and obviously that's not going to be to the advantage of NU. They trail by 4 as Perez finally checks in after playing just a couple of minutes in set number 1.
Yes.
It was all Salibad.
Early substitution for Coach Francis. In fact, in the first set, which hindi natin usually nakikita with NU. Mas nakikita natin with the LSU. But with NU, hindi masyado. And now, Perez back in the game.
Guevara, nice job at the net. Marzan. The young sophomore, unable to predict where the ball is going to go. 1914 Adamson, let's listen to NU.
Nakikita mo ba yung second back player? Ikaw, nakikita mo ba yung spiker mo? At iniintindi mo kagad yung play mo. Gusto mo ilabas kita? Ang intindi mo muna yung first line of defense. Naintindihan? Huwag mo problemahin yung papalo at yung mga papalo mo magaling. Itaas mo lang yung bola at siguradong papatok. Naintindihan? Pero, hindi natin pinigilan sa ibabaw ng net. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Score lang na score lang.
Perez not bringing her A game here today, and she was called out by Coach Francis Vicente. Nakalimutan nila bantayan si Guevara.
It's really about defense. Hindi niya kasi masyado niyang pinoproblema siguro yung play niya. Well, she came off the bench after that long break coming from Coach Francis. Sabi nga niya, biro mo kakapasok lang ni Perez, right away, kinorek niya kagad. That is how worried he is with his first setter. Diba? Kapapasok lang ni Perez after that mistake, timeout na agad siya. So you kind of sense, kung ikaw si Perez, alam mo kung kano ka-importante yung role mo. You should know how important your role is. Ang tagal mo nang nakaupo ron at tinitignan what's happening.
Perez. Free ball for Adamson. Guevara. The tip. Nepomuceno was right there. Stopped the ball from crossing over, pero it bounced out of bounds.
Look at that. And now you can see Adamson using the blockers of the Lady Bulldogs for the points. Trying to play it smart. ang hirap labanan kasi ang hirap i-challenge with those long arms and the really tall players coming from NU.
Nepomuceno.
She angled that well. Get the middle portion of the Lady Falcons court. Pinadaan sa gitna ng blockers. Again, they were not side to side.
And if you have just become a fan ngayong season, you may not have seen a lot of that, pero ang daming ginagawang ganyan ni Kylie Nepomuceno last season. Ngayon lang
Yeah.
nabawasan nga because of so many additions sa kanilang lineup.
And I really think that now she's playing better. To me, she's now an all-around player, especially at the, diba? Talagang tumaas yung level ng defense niya.
That's right.
So, and you can see from her face that she's playing comfortably now. She likes that spotlight is not on her.
This reception on the part of Urdas, 22-16. Asalibad, by the way, is brought back in. Perez really struggling
Yes.
here today at the center position for NU.
And she was taken out after that error on the serve.
Pineda, a very good server. Sakto-sakto naman yun. Well,
Talagang ganyan.
she
But
sent-
she is. She
He sent
really
a bunch of aces in the first set, di ba?
That's right.
Just trying to clear myself from...
Remember, it
Copa?
was parang 7-0 run
Yeah.
for Adamson because of Pineda.
Aganon in the ballgame for the first time. Free ball para sa NU. Sweet Urdas. Picked up by Soriano. Here comes Zapanta in the middle of the block.
And Marty looking for that area where she can hit that ball. And this is really what Adamson should do. Kailangan hanapin nila kung saan sila pwedeng makalusot. And that time, Zapanta getting the point.
Dindin was a little late there on the serve or on the block. Urdas. Here comes Zapanta, too close to the net.
Yeah, too close. And you can see the tall din in Santiago.
Yeah, palapit
In
ka
front
pa
of
lang.
you.
Dumidilim na yung paningin mo.
So,
23-18, Adamson over NU. Let's listen to Adamson this time.
Dito ka na. Doon na si Mayet. Tumba na si Pau. Tatlo spiker mo, May. Gadi mo ng si Pau. 5 pwede. C pwede. Oh, ready Pau. O, isang receive na lang tayo. Receive tayo. Hindi makakapalo yun pag walang receive. Okay, May. Diskarte, takbo. Pag sino walang receive, set sa open ng maayos, cover. Pagbalikan si Pau.
The way Coach Meneses instructs, parang ang simple ng volleyball. no?
kasi specific play ang binibigay niya. So, tama yan. To me, pag yung mga ganitong moment na ganitong situation, kailangan may specific play kang ipa-follow. Although, if it's a broken play, I'm sure the girls know what to do with the ball.
Saka huwag mo nagdagdagan ng drama,
Oo.
yung already dramatic moment.
Exactly. Kailangan yan yung instruction Clear-cut instruction.
Well, yun na kailangan because there was a service error on the part of Nepomuceno. Adamson at set point for the first time in this match.
And Quino now inside for Coach Meneses.
Talagang defense with a capital D ang lineup ngayon ni Coach Meneses. Guevara Alquino.
Oh.
Seldom pinagsasabay but an error on the serve by Soriano.
Well, Cordell comes in again. This is for offense purposes. Ano yan parang basketball, di ba? Ganyan,
Yeah.
defense, offense, pasok, labas.
Especially during the dying moments of
And
quarter.
makikita mo that Coach Meneses learned his lesson from that set 1, di ba?
Zapanta. Pablo powers that one in.
You can really feel and hear the power behind that hit.
Pakinggan natin ang timeout ng NU.
Painan mo ha. Pumasok ka. Porsyento mo. Intindihan mo may lahat. Okay? Intindihan. Depensa tayo ng maayos. Kaya natin yan ha. Wala na tayong substitution. Isa na lang ang substitution natin. Intindihan. service mo, huwag mong targetin yung libero, tinatarget mo eh. Ha? Let's go. Pasok lang ang service ha. No mistake, no mistake. Kaya natin yan. Kanina nakaya natin. Bakit kaya? Let's go, natin.
Well, there is really no other way for National University. Talagang they can't afford a single mistake.
True. And on the other side, ito naman parang motivation, talagang motivational
Kaya natin.
yung timeout. Nakaya pa nila yan.
Kanina nagawa.
Blast na.
Oo.
Oh. Mas mahirap yung kanina, 10 points nga yun eh. Oh, but off the timeout, Ordaz with an error on the serve gives it to Adamson.
Exactly what Coach Vicente did not want. Well, you can't win them all,
Well, yeah.
right? So with that error on the part of National University, we're tied at 1 set apiece. The first goes to NU, second to Adamson.